Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm J Marie. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, girl. I would love for you to join my fam. And to all returning subscribers, hello girl, how are you doing? I am doing wonderful. Do you see me glowing, honey? I'm back with another Outre Converti-cap unit, and look how gorgeous this unit is. Look at how glamorous she got me looking, girl. I am looking cute. I am loving this style. The texture of this hair is very human-like for this to be a synthetic unit, and this is the style Brazilian waves, and it's 22 inches long. So if this is your first time ever hearing about Converti-cap units, they are very inexpensive half wigs or headband wigs, and they're very versatile. You can wear it half up, half down, or also up in a ponytail because they do feature the drawstring, which I absolutely love. So I cannot wait to style this also in a ponytail. This unit retails priced at $20. Some places a little bit more, but the average price is $20 for this unit. And I'll have all details listed in the description box down below, and I'll also list some areas where you can pick this unit up. So guys, I did style this unit with some leave out, and I love how natural it looks. So make sure you guys like this video, and also comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling about this unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for tutorial.